In this video, I'll detail how to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp chat backup. So if you're trying to back up your WhatsApp chat and you want to transfer this chat from your iPhone to Android or from Android to iPhone, you need to add end-to-end encryption to make the WhatsApp chat secure. So this will prompt you to type in the PIN or password you set when you're setting up the end-to-end encryption on backup chat on your WhatsApp. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Then click on the settings at the bottom right. Here, you want to scroll down. Locate chat and click on that. Now, once you click on chat, come down here and click on chat backup. Then once you click on chat backup, just scroll down. You should see end-to-end encryption backup. Then click on that. Now, once you tap that, you'll be prompted to turn on end-to-end encryption on backup. Your backup will be safe even if you lose your phone. Secure backup with a password or an encryption key. No one else will be able to access your backup, not even WhatsApp or Apple. Then go ahead and tap turn on. Then you should see pod that says protect your end-to-end encrypted backup, create a password. You will need it to restore your backup. Make sure you know the backup password you want to set, otherwise you'll not be able to restore the chat backup on your phone. Then go ahead and click on create password or use 64-digit encryption key instead. So in this case, I prefer to use password. This is going to be personalized, and even the encryption key is personalized, but here you'll be the one to set the password yourself. Then go ahead and create the password. Once you created the password, go ahead and click on the next button at the top right. Then repeat the password again. Now tap the next button at the top right again. Then you should see create your end-to-end encrypted backup. Then tap create. Then you should see the end-to-end encrypted backup written here. And if you come down here, you should see end-to-end encrypted turned on. And the backup is currently uploading. You see that? So that is how you can easily enable or turn on end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp chat. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.